section, we're going to be dealing the same thing with trig or maybe Pythagorean theorem, but basically a word problem. So a couple things I need you to kind of make sure you remember. Always draw a right triangle. Always. Okay. Always use an angle with the horizontal line. Okay, because you're going to hear things like angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay. Angle of depression is when the angle is above the horizontal line. So this is the horizontal line here. Above would be elevation. Now, horizontal lines are parallel, so I could draw a horizontal line here, and below it would be depression. Above is the elevation, below is depression. Well, whenever I have parallel lines, opposite, alternate interior angles are congruent. So that's why I said elevation and depression are equal. So you always use with the horizontal line. Okay, always use it with the horizontal line. Don't worry about the vocabulary. Just put it always with the horizontal line, and you get it right. Trust me. All right. So also, there's some things you need to make sure you know. Um, your hypotenuse, your adjacent, your opposite parts. You're gonna use trig to solve, and you're gonna find the key information in the problem. So, for example, I'm gonna start number 13, but you're gonna finish it. And I want you to make sure you check your work, have your correct setup. But here it says a 48-foot scaffold is leaning against a big crib house, okay, a big crib. Um, and so it says the base of the scaffold is 12 feet from the big crib. Determine the angle of depression of the scaffolding round to your answer to the nearest degree. So key information, 48 feet, leaning, that's important. That gives you an idea. Against the house, okay, it's leaning against the house. The base is usually always at the bottom. That's helpful. Of it is 12 feet from the big crib. Determine the angle of depression. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do. Round to the nearest degree. Nearest degree means a whole number. All right, so once you try to just pause the video, draw your picture, and then fast forward and see if you or draw your pictures for all 13 through 16, and then fast forward and see if you set it up and pick the right trig function. See if you can work it out, Mr. Tubes. Thanks.